What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. If this is your very first time here. So today we are just gonna be kicking back, chilling, playing in some makeup. We are gonna be doing an all matte look. Peep the lack of highlights. Some of you guys have been begging me to just do some matte looks and I ain't mad at it. We are also gonna be installing this headband wig. It is my first time trying one, so you'll get my first impressions as well. I'm not gonna lie, I was in a mood today, y'all. I was in a mood, so these little motions about to be up and down, but we'll get through it together. Before we hop into it, please make sure that you hit subscribe below if you have not yet, so that you are updated when new videos come out. Also, make sure that you hit that notification bell as well, so that you are updated when new videos go up. All right, y'all. Let's do it. All right, y'all. So I am looking like the bum of all bums at the moment because I have had a day. I've had a day. I got water all on my shirt, girl. Look, we are about to go ahead and do a wig tutorial, but it's gonna be real quick, simple, and easy, I think. We have a headband wig today, and it is from my first wig. First of all, excuse how I'm looking right now. Can't be cute all the time. Over the summer is when I started getting emails about headband wigs, and they was like, you know, please try it. You know, this is what's hot and coming. And I was like, yeah, no. That's not my style. That ain't my jam. So we're gonna find out today. So this is the headband wig. This is how it's made. It has this band around the front. It has combs on the inside. And then it has the band down here where you can connect it. And then it has Velcro in the back to make it tight. I figured maybe I should put some gel on my hair first before we get into this, just to like brush it back. They did send me 2 headbands, one gray and one black. And then they also sent me some edge control. So we gonna see how the edge control works. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna pull my hair back into a ponytail and try to make it as flat as possible before I slide this wig on. I will have all the information for this wig in the description box, the inches and all of that. But I tightened it up a little bit in the back and I'm just gonna put her on. Okay, she's on, y'all, she's on. I'm going to pull it up a little bit and Velcro it in the back. But before I put on the other band, I'm gonna just go ahead and do me some edges real quick. I'll pull me a little swoop in the front to make sure I cover a little bit of this 5 head. I think I'm gonna put on the black headband and just pretty much cover up the band of the front of the wig. And I must say, that is the easiest wig I've ever put on. But I think I want a high bun with this. So let me try to finesse it, y'all. I don't think I can do it on camera though. Okay, so I put her into a cute little messy bun. What I feel like for me, this would be perfect for is like going to the gym. This would be so cute. And when I wear like my wraps, like my African wraps, I feel like this would be beautiful with that. So, or you know, for those of us who are a little bald-headed, and we don't want to be bald-headed, it's real easy for you to just throw this on and head out, you know, head to the store, whatever it is you got to do. I feel like it's like some quick, simple, on the run type of stuff. Or even if you laying up in your house and you don't want to look like a bum, but you also don't feel like doing the most. It is poking out a little bit in the back because I do got my ponytail. And I must say, I'm feeling this. And I definitely thought that I was not going to be. So I'm a little shooketh. I like it. I like it. Thank you to my first wig for sending this to me and for sponsoring us today. Let's go ahead and hop into this makeup and just release some tension, girl, because I need it. For brows, I am using my Joa Precision, what's this thing called? Brow Down to Me Precision Brow Pencil. And y'all are probably gonna be seeing this on Monday. Today is Thursday. I just posted the Colourpop video and this is my second video that I'm filming today. But yeah, I have just not been feeling well today. I've just been feeling kind of just out of it. I know you guys have noticed, a few of you guys have actually commented on this, but y'all like, Maya, what the heck is wrong with you in these short videos? All of my videos recently have been like short, and that's short for me. My videos typically would be like somewhere between 20 and 30 minutes, but they've been like harboring on like 10 to 15 minutes recently. I have shorter videos on days when I'm not in the best mood when I'm filming, because to be completely honest, I'm not always in the best mood when I am filming a video. Sometimes I'll let y'all know, like right now. And then other times I won't necessarily say anything. I'll just be trying my best to film and to be my normal self. That was way too light. Why did I go in with that? It's okay, we can work with it. But yeah, sometimes I'll be like just trying to get through everything. And I feel like that's why they've been more short. Those are days where I'm like not feeling good, or I'm just feeling blah, or having a bad day or whatever, as we all do. Sometimes the video's gonna be long, sometimes they're gonna be short, y'all. Let me tell you something, at least it's the video. At least there is a video, sis. Let me just tell you, sometimes you just gotta keep yourself from worrying about the small stuff and focus on the big stuff. And I'm just being real and honest with you guys. It happens. I'm feeling like I want to do eyes first today. We've been doing eyes first for the past couple videos, and I'm totally fine with that. Let's go ahead and hop into these eyes. I have no idea what they're gonna look like, but you know, let's just do them together. We've been doing a lot of color recently, so I feel like I want to bring it back neutral. I don't know if I want to use this Morphe 9K palette or this BH Cosmetics Weekend Vibes Avocado Toast palette. Decisions. And both of these got a lot of green in it, but we've been doing green a lot lately too, I feel. So let's see. I have a problem, y'all. This, and this, they are screaming at me. This is abuse. They are screaming at me. It's supposed to be going natural, Maya. It's supposed to be going natural. This is why I do one eye off camera. I'll be trying to tell y'all. Guys, I tried. I really did. I'll be back. Okay, before I wipe this off, because I don't think I want to do this anymore, I just want to show y'all real quick. This is what we came up with, but I just decided that I want to go neutral natural. So there you go. Enjoy. It's gonna be gone in 3, 2, 1. All right, y'all want to know the real? I just wiped my eye off about 5 to 8 times, and it is throbbing. See all this glitter on my face? At this point, I am going to not make myself go crazy, and I'm about to do something that I know to do instead of trying to be creative. All of my content creators who are watching this, sis, it don't get easier. It doesn't, but you gotta love it enough to keep going. Because right now I am on the top level of frustration. The top level. It's probably the fact that I'm already irritated. That's probably why I'm even more irritated now. Lord. This is the Avocado Toast palette from BH. And I'm taking Pit, which is this shade right here. And I'm just gonna blend that into my creases on both sides. I'll be trying to get away from pink, but right now I'm at the point where it's like, Maya, just do whatever. Because ain't nobody got time for the foolishness. I'm gonna take a blending brush to blend out the edges of that. But yeah, I'm also just trying to protect my piece and my levels, like, cause I know I get to a certain level to where I can't handle stuff, or I get frustrated and then I shut down. That's why we are about to just go and do this little matte pink look. On the lid, I'm going into Pink Salt, which is right here. And we're gonna do a matte pink on the lid and then a deeper purple shade on the corners. We are also gonna wing this out because I feel like this is gonna need us a wing. And I'm pushing this shade into the inner part right there. And then I'm gonna go in with a clean brush and blend that out. I'm about to line this and give us a wing. And then I'm gonna pop on my lashes and we're gonna get to this face. All right, y'all, so we are gonna be using some Il Makiage complexion products today. I do still got all this glitter on my face, good Lord. I ain't gonna be able to get it all off, but that's what I mean. Look, it's just gonna have to stay, it's fine. I'm gonna use my No Filter Poreless Primer from Il Makiage. And this primer reminds me a lot of the Milk Hydro Grip. It's very much the same consistency. My lips are crusty. Give me a second. Oh Lord, if it ain't one thing, it's another. We're also gonna use the Il Makiage foundation today. This one is in 200. This is their Woke Up Like This foundation. And originally I was matched with 220 and I tried that. And one of y'all was like, girl, that is way too dark. So I did try 200 and it works perfectly for my complexion. But y'all, tonight I am legit. When I'm done with this video, I'm gonna wash my face, I'm gonna take me a shower, I'm gonna order me, more than likely, some Chipotle. And I'm gonna find me a movie to watch and just chill. I haven't even been sleeping that good recently. Past 3 nights, y'all, I have just been not sleeping good. It's like taking me hours to fall asleep. I always got something on my mind. Girl, I just need to chill out. Just need to chill out. And that's probably why I'm on edge today, because I feel like I haven't slept a lot in the past 3 days. Anything can do it to you. Lack of sleep will do it to you. This is also the El Maquillage concealer, and this one in particular is in 14.5. And apparently we're going pretty light today. I didn't necessarily want to do that, but it looks like it's ending up that way. So let's just roll with it. I do have to get this video edited today as well. So after that, I will be on chill mode for the rest of the night. I really want to get out the house too, y'all. I think staying in this house is kind of driving me crazy as well. Is quarantine doing that to anybody? Especially now that everybody is like going back on lockdown, girl. Whew, it's just starting to feel unbearable at this point. So my face is looking real unblended all over, but it's cool. I'm going into my Fenty concealer, and this one is in 480. It's more of a redder tone. I like it because it kind of reads as like a cream bronzer. And I'm gonna blend this out with the Ultimate Blender, which is from Joa. And this just kind of helps to blend the face. Where we had that deep line of demarcation, we still got it a little bit there, but we're gonna fix it with the foundation brush. I like to get everything on the face before I go in with the foundation brush so that everything can be where it's supposed to be, and then I can blend it out. And I put a little bit on my nose, and I'm blending this out too. Y'all see me all close to this camera. Y'all, let me tell you about my day. What is everybody doing for Thanksgiving? Let me know if you guys are actually still gonna be doing like your regular Thanksgiving plans with your family, or if you're gonna do something different. My family and I, we are going to an Airbnb this year, and that's not something that we've ever done before, just together as a family. So I'm pretty excited about that. We're gonna be there for like 4 days. My mom is cooking, and her cooking is the best. I need to be in there looking at her, y'all. I need to, because I was just telling her that I want to start making my own dinner. I'm like, ain't nobody gonna come because everybody gonna be coming to your house. So what's the point? But I don't know. I guess preparing for my soon-to-be married life. Gotta claim it. I'm going into my Beauty Bakery flour powder. I haven't used this in a while. And I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with this powder. Y'all see how it's just matting out the face? Beautiful. I think I am gonna go ahead and do a matte face today. I am taking a fluffier brush into this powder and just dusting it all over the face to set. Then I'm gonna hit it with my Mented bronzer, and this is in Yacht Life. Y'all know I use this all the time. And this brush is from Alamar. I feel like it's been a while since I've been in like a super weird mood when I'm feeling. Today obviously is one of those days, but we're working through it. We're working through it. On this bottom lash line, I am gonna go back into Pit from the BH palette and do a nice thin line on the bottom. Then I'm going to buff that out. I think I'm going to skip liner, and I'm just gonna hit it with some mascara. This is my Milk Kush mascara. Since we are keeping this all matte, I feel like we need a little bit of a blush. I'm gonna take this Bounce and Blur brush. I'm gonna take this Bounce and Blur blush from Bare Minerals. It's in Mauve Sunrise, just to add a little bit of a flush of color to the cheeks, a little more interest, especially since we're not going in with a highlighter. And this one does have a little bit of a sheen to it, so I do like it, just to add that to the face. And for lips, what we gonna do? Nabla just came out with these lip liners. I think I want to try one of these. Which one is the deepest one? Looks like the deepest one is nude number 5. That can't be the deepest one. Hold up. That is the deepest one. Nabla. I don't like that. I'm gonna go back into my Juvia's Place Cola lip liner. I did just use this on another video. Buxom does have their Full Force plumping lipstick. They just came out with some that's like 90s inspired, 90s nudes, and this one is called Heartthrob. I'm gonna use this one in the middle. Okay, I do like this. You don't like that? I think, ooh, that's cute. And I always love these lipsticks. They have like a tingling feeling to them. They're super cute. All right, y'all, so that is our finished look. Let's go ahead and wrap this video up. All right, babe, so that wraps it up for today's all matte tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you thought. Also, make sure that you hit subscribe below if you have not yet, and check out the link for this wig in the description box. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.